I have used some, and they are pretty fun to work with. So you get 2 sheets of each design in both gold and in silver. So let me try and carefully pull these guys out. And just for the record, once the backing is off, don't put them down anywhere, because I took the backing off of one and I was just trying to use a little bit here on the corner, and then I was going to use a little bit more on the corner, and it stuck to my mat, and boom, that was it. It was on my mat for good. So here's my 2 full sheets. So there's lots of texture elements and some leaves. There's a wreath there that looks pretty cool. So they are really, really fun, and they've got a really lovely shine to them. So both silver and gold. So let's use, I don't want something too distracting. Let's do, I don't know. This is the problem. Which one should I do? Maybe I'll do some splatter. All right. So all you do with these guys is grab them, cut them off, and just I'm actually gonna cut this in half again, because I don't want to do what I did before. So I'm just going to cut it in half, and I'm going to pop a little bit of splatter down here and a little bit up here in this top corner, because my placement will go something like that. Okay, so all you do is you peel off the backing, and you've got a silver side that shows on both the gold and the silver, and you just pop it down onto your card where you want it. I'm going to run it along this bottom edge here, and then all you do with your finger is just rub it, and then just carefully peel the top off. If any of it hasn't come off, you just pop it down and just rub it again. So that is how easy these guys are to use. They are amazing, and they're beautiful and shiny. Splatters on your card, yes. But don't, maybe I was gonna say, maybe it's like when you spill something. Oh, I can't believe it. I had some of my cards sitting yesterday. It was actually my purple and blue cards, and I was writing up my tutorials, and I was sitting at my computer. I brought my hot chocolate in, and I spilt a little bit, and it dripped over my cards, and I was like, oh man. So how's that? So then we've got our beautiful gold. They really, really catch the light. They are fantastic.